Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make split pea soup in a crock pot. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of dried green split peas, 6 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and a flavorful ham hock. Don't forget 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely diced. We'll also use a bay leaf, salt, and pepper to taste. Now, let's get everything ready. Start by rinsing your 1 pound of dried split peas under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any debris. Next, finely dice your 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatic vegetables will form the delicious base of your soup. If using a ham hock, you can trim any excess fat now. It's time to assemble your soup. Place the rinsed split peas, diced vegetables, ham hock, and bay leaf into your 6-quart or larger crock pot. Pour in the 6 cups of broth, ensuring everything is well submerged. Cover and cook on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until the peas are tender. Once the peas are tender, carefully remove the ham hock and bay leaf from the crock pot. Shred the delicious ham meat from the bone and stir it back into the soup. You can mash some of the peas against the side of the pot for a thicker consistency, then season with salt and pepper to your liking. Enjoy your hearty homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.